Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to work with Firebase on Android. So Firebase technology is a good technology, but it's very confusing and difficult to set up. So I hope this tutorial will help you understand and get started with Firebase in the fastest way. Let's start. So first of all, we need to create a Firebase project by coming here and search for Firebase. We click the Firebase website and click Go to Console. So it's the place where we will create a project. So let's say we want to add a new project. Let's say new Firebase, for example, and we click continue. We can just say yes for Google Analytics because it's not very important for now. So once the project is finished, we go into the project and we can connect to this project by click on this Android icon or S icon, but it's not easy to do that way. So I suggest that you go to the Android Studio and connect it from here. Okay, so we need to create a database on Firestore to work with database storage. Okay, and we click create database to create a new database. And because we are testing it, so just put it in a test mode. Okay, there we go. We can create a collection here, or Firebase will create a collection for you. So we don't have to worry about that. Now let's go back to Android Studio and start a new project. We'll select empty activities and give it a name. Let's say Firebase 5. And click finish. Okay, so Android Studio have a assistant tool, and we can use that tool to connect to Firebase. So that's the seamless way. So we click on the tools and select Firebase, and we scroll down and select Firestore. Okay, and click on this link. So they suggest us to follow a number of steps. So first of all, I will connect to Firebase. Okay, we can create a new Firebase project or to an existing Firebase project. So I select the project I just created here and click connect. Okay, once this step finished, we follow the next step. Add Cloud Firestore to our app. So actually, it will change the build.rados at the project level and at the app level. They'll just add the dependency on Google Service and also add the Firebase Firestore dependency. We just click accept change to move forward. So once we change our build.rados, the build will restart it and to synchronize with the change that we just put. Okay, so now we'll start to write our code here. We'll first create a Firebase instance here, and after that we'll copy this sample code to add the data. So what it's doing here is indeed it just create a user objects with different properties and call db collections add user, and to check if the adding successful or not, they will use a callback or on success listener or on failure listener. Okay, so we can change the tag here by putting the name of the current class. So I can click on this arrow, and then let's say I will create a few or a few code tags in the main activity. So it's here. So I will give it a value main activity dot class dot get name. There we go. Okay, we hit the button run to start our apps on the virtual on the simulators. So there we go. We wait for a while until the project is loaded into the virtual device and started. In the meantime, we can go to Logcat and check for main activities to see if there's any data there. There's no data here at all, and everything is just finished silently. Okay, and yeah, we can see that you know we successfully add the data into the Firestore. So we can go to the website and refresh this page and see if our data is added. There we go. So we have a user collections, with one document. We can we can restart our app, run our app one more time, and when it's finished, we can check out a Firebase database online and see if we have a data there. So actually, you can see that there's we new data asset. So this is one, and this is two. Okay. So sometimes you will receive an error on data file stem, which is this one. So if the data are not added and there will be a problems, I suggest that you go here and copy this and replace for that. Then it can fix your problem. Okay. So this is the Firestore or the Firestore. Okay. So if everything works, successfully, then you don't have to change that. But if you see the bugs, so maybe you have to consider changing it because sometimes Firebase just stop working because we didn't set the timestamp in snapshot enable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos.